Warm welcome to Computer Science online class. Standard 5th Standard. Today's topic is more on computer networks. What is meant by computer network? An interconnected collection of computers is called a computer network. Computers can be either connected using a wire or a wireless network. In this computer network, there are three types. Based on the geographical spread over LAN, MAN and WAN. In this computer network, there are three types. What are they? LAN, MAN and WAN. Okay. First, we are going to see the expansion of LAN. LAN is local area network. And MAN is metropolitan area network. And WAN is wide area network. Next, we are going to move network topology. What does mean by network topology? It is nothing but it refers to the arrangement of computers called nodes in a network. The factors that determine the selection of networks are performance, cost, and wiring layout. Okay. In this, some of different types of network topologies also there. The network topologies are star, ring, bus, hybrid, FDDI. The expansion of FDDI is fiber distributed data interface. First, we are going to move star topology. This is a star topology. This picture shows star topology. In this type, the nodes are arranged in a star shape. This picture looks like star, no? So, these nodes are arranged in star shape. In this picture, in the center node, it is called a server. This is a main node. Remember that this is a main node. Data travels through the server only. If one of the outer nodes fails to work, the network works, since we can remove or disconnect the node. If no problem, if any one of the nodes fails to work means no problem, we can remove or disconnect the node that is not working. But if the central node fails to work means the network stops working. If other nodes, outer sides of the node fails to work means no problem, we can remove or disconnect it. But center node fails to work means the entire network will stops working. So in this type, there is a central node dependency. Okay. Do you remember that? Outer nodes fails to work means no problem, we can either disconnect or remove that. But if central node, in this image there is a central node is there, no? So that one is fails to work means the entire network will stops working. Okay. So this is a small definition about star topology. Next we are going to move ring topology. This is a ring topology image. In this type of topology, the nodes are arranged in a circular fashion. This figure shows the circular fashion. Data travels in one direction only. Okay. In this topology, data travels only one direction. Okay. As the data travels along long distance, the signal becomes weak and devices like repeaters are required to amplify the signals. Okay. In this topology, ring topology, if one node fails to work, the entire network fails. Okay. Do you remember that? One node fails to work, the entire node fails to work. Okay. But in star topology, if one node fails to work means we can either disconnect or remove that. Other nodes will work. Okay. Through the center node. But in this ring, if any one of the node fails to work, the entire network fails. Okay. So, are you understand this? Next one is bus topology. In this type of topology, the various nodes are connected using a T connector to a main cable. So this is called a bus. Wiring layout is simple and cheap. Smaller network uses this topology. Data travels on the bus. In this bus the network fails to work. So same as ring topology. Okay. Next one is hybrid topology. This picture shows the hybrid topology. A combination of both bus, star and ring. It is called hybrid topology. Okay. Next one is FDDI. FDDI means Fiber Distributed Data Interface. This topology uses fiber optic cable and it is a very high speed network also. It is very useful in transferring heavy videos and audio files, but it is an expansive network. Okay students, this is the today's section. Next we are going to move to the question session. Okay, I think all the students are ready to answer this. First question, what are the types of networks? What are the types of networks? Take down your note and write your answer. I give you countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And the answer is LAN, local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, and WAN, wide area network. Next, second question. What are the types of topologies? Take down your note, write your answer, count down. 10, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answers are star, ring, bus, hybrid and FDDI. I hope you all understand well this session. And today's session is over. Thank you.